Hello everyone, today we're going to be making kimchi fried rice with just an any day and a microwave. My name is Taryn McCallan. I'll be your host for the day. I'm not a cook, I'm just an actor, but we're going to be doing this together. And I know this looks like a lot of ingredients, but trust me, it's going to be delicious and it's really, really easy. So before we get started, of course, make sure that you have your any day deep dish. So once we open our any day, we're gonna start with putting in our kimchi and the grated carrots. We're gonna be putting all of that in there. For the salt, you can just take like a generous pinch of it. We're gonna just take a pinch of this white pepper. Now we're going to pour all of this sesame oil into our dish. Then we have our soy sauce, same thing. And then we have our gochujang. Perfect. And then finally, we have our little bits of ginger and garlic. Now, before we put this in the microwave, we're gonna stir it. We're gonna try to make sure that all these ingredients are evenly spaced out within this dish. Now, usually with kimchi fried rice, it's a long process. You have to put it in a pan, you have to put it on the stove, you use a lot of oil, but what's great about ours is that it uses less oil, so it's already healthier for you. And all you have to do is just put it in the any day. I mean, how easy is that? It's a quicker process, it's streamlined, and I promise you, you're never gonna wanna go back. Grab your lid and place it on top of the any day. Now, be sure to make sure that the handle for the lid is popped up. Now, once you have that all ready to go, you can place it in your microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. Perfect. So now that we have just a minute or two, I'm gonna talk about the egg yolks. These in the meal, it just makes it rich, delicious, just really, really creamy. I'm really excited to talk to you more about how this is gonna come into play, but we'll get to that in just a moment. Oh, there we go. Yeah, okay. Ooh, wow. Next, we're gonna be adding the rice into our bowl. So now that we have our rice in here, we want to make sure that it's properly mixed in with the rest of the ingredients. Really make sure that the white rice is no longer white. You want it to all be coated. All right, so this looks amazing. It's really, really well stirred, evenly coated. And so now actually we're going to put it back into the microwave for 2 minutes. Of course, make sure that the knob is popped up and that the lid is also on top of the any day. We will cook it for another 2 minutes. So we're just gonna find ways to just pass the time. It's 2 minutes, it's not gonna last that long. So we're gonna just dance, we're gonna imagine that there's music. A crash, something falling down could be music if you try hard enough, folks. Good lesson to take home. Perfect. We're gonna open our any day. And we're gonna add our egg yolks in, but remember, as soon as you put these egg yolks in, they're gonna immediately start cooking. So once you put them in, you got to stir, stir, stir. Now that this is in here, you're gonna really, really see that creaminess and you're gonna really feel the difference. This is just looking great. So I think we're ready for a taste test. So could we get a plate? Oh, thank you so much. Oh man, I'm gonna get a good amount of this. Perfect. I don't think this can get any better, so I think let's just take a bite.
Sorry guys.
Josh, our culinary chef. Oh my gosh.
I forgot the most important part. Just lift up.
Oh yes, of course. I'm such an amateur.
Yes.
Ah. And this counts as garnishing, right?
That is a garnish of scallions.
Scallions. Thank you so much. What a great team we have here, folks. Let's try a bite. Wow.
It's your first time with kimchi, right?
Yeah, it is really, really good. This scallion is just, really is the cherry on top. It has a good kick. I love a good kick. I'm just like actually eating it. Sorry, hold on. This is really, really good. Well, that's all the time that we have today. Please like and subscribe. It really, really helps out the channel. And also, please check out cookanyday.com. We have hundreds of amazing recipes that all can be cooked in the microwave. Just delicious, really exciting things like kimchi. I never had this. I'm excited to try it again. Well, I'm your host. My name is Taryn McCallan, and I hope you had a good meal. and I hope to see you again. Thanks so much. Take care.